This is single-handedly the best method to mine Pi in the Pi Network app. So this is a secret method, and basically I'm going to run through how to actually mine and get the most out of it. First of all, you have to join the network. Create an account and choose a username, and then get an invitation code from an existing Pi Network member to receive a 25% mining rate boost. So, if you know someone that has Pi, use their code so both of you will get a 25% mining rate boost. Another method is, daily mining. Open the app and click the lightning bolt to start mining. This action validates transactions and secures the network, and you need to log in the app and mine Pi coins daily. If you want to increase the mining rate, you have to add 3 to 5 trusted contacts to the security circle to increase the mining rate, or have a referral team like what I said. If you use your referral code and a lot of people use it, then you will get a lot of boosts. You can get the ambassador role, you can earn bonuses from your team's mining activities, and the node role, you can set up a node on your computer to contribute to the network. Other network activities, you have to engage with the community, learn about the mainnet, and protect your wallet by keeping your Pi wallet secure and only access it through the designated Pi wallet URL. So yeah, those are pretty much the best ways in order to mine properly and mine more in the Pi Network app. Once again, just do your tasks daily, or you can get more referral codes in order to have a better mining boost. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial works or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.